If you're a farmer or gardening enthusiast, you may have heard of cucumber greenhouses, an increasingly popular method for growing this tasty vegetable. Cucumber greenhouses provide a controlled environment that helps to maximize crop yield and quality while also protecting against pest and adverse weather conditions. But what exactly is a cucumber greenhouse and how does it work? Simply put, a cucumber greenhouse is a type of structure designed to create the ideal growing conditions for cucumbers. It typically consists of a frame of metal or wood covered in plastic or glass panels to create a closed-off space. Proper hygiene is critical for cucumber cultivation. Wear clean clothing, disinfect hands and shoes before entering the greenhouse, and use a hygiene lock chamber to prevent contamination. By prioritizing hygiene, growers can minimize the risk of plant diseases and maximize crop yields. Proper preparation is crucial for a successful cucumber crop. Typically, thousands of new cucumber plants are delivered to the greenhouse, and each one must be handled with care. To begin, the plants are carefully placed on a mat or in a pot and secured with the stick and water, using a dropper to ensure adequate hydration. It's essential to handle each plant with care to avoid damaging it during the delicate process. Cucumber plants in a greenhouse grow upward along ropes that are hung on the crop wire. One rope is used for each plant, which is secured to the plant immediately after planting. This process can be done while walking if the plants are in a cultivation trench or while sitting in a cart if the plants are on a substrate mat on the ground. To ensure the plant grows correctly, the rope must be turned around the plant and tightened until it reaches the crop wire. This tightening starts immediately after securing and continues until the plant has grown completely. As the plant grows bigger, an electric cart is used to do this work. However, if the plants are not in cultivation trenches, bending may be necessary in the beginning. Properly managing the ropes is crucial for the growth of cucumber plants, and it helps to maximize the yield in cucumber cultivation. Some high-wire cucumber growers prefer clipping the plants to the rope instead of tightening them. This technique involves using clips to attach the plant to the rope, allowing it to grow upward. Clipping is done either manually or with the device and is crucial to ensuring the proper growth of the plants throughout the growing period. To maximize cucumber yield, remove side shoots as the plant grows, redirecting energy to the fruit. Begin pruning after securing the plant, continuing until the end of the growing period. Though pruning is manageable while walking initially, as plants grow larger, a cart may be necessary. Proper pruning is essential for successful cucumber cultivation and high crop yields. To ensure proper light distribution and ease of harvesting, it's important to remove excess leaves from cucumber plants. Leaves can prevent new fruits from receiving adequate light and make it difficult to harvest a densely grown crop. In traditional cultivation, this is done by walking through the plants a few times. However, in high-wire cultivation, leaf removal is done continuously throughout the growing period. Proper leaf removal techniques are critical for achieving optimal yields in cucumber cultivation. Harvesting cucumbers is an essential and physically demanding aspect of cucumber cultivation that requires attention to detail. After 3 to 4 weeks of planting, the first cucumbers become ready for harvest, and the process continues until the end of the growing period. Harvesting involves walking through the rows of cucumber plants behind a harvest cart where workers check the weight of each fruit carefully. Fully grown cucumbers should weigh between 350 and 400 grams, and to determine whether they are ready for harvest, workers must check their weight. If the cucumber is deemed ready, it is cut from the plant with a knife. To avoid damaging the plant or other cucumbers, it's crucial to cut the stalk at the correct length and remove the flower at the end of the cucumber. The harvested cucumbers are then carefully placed in crates or containers, which can be physically demanding work. This task requires workers to reach, bend, and sometimes move full crates. Given that the crop wire hangs at a height of more than 2 meters, workers who are taller than 1.65 meters are at an advantage since they can reach the highest cucumbers. Team leaders can show workers the correct lengths to cut the stalks, ensuring that cucumbers are harvested effectively without damaging the plant or other fruits. Overall, successful cucumber cultivation involves careful and attentive harvesting techniques to ensure high-quality crop yields. Get a glimpse into the world of cucumber farming and packaging with this behind-the-scenes look. After being harvested, these delicious veggies are taken to a warehouse where they are sorted and packaged for shipment for customers around the world. Since the warehouse is cooler than the greenhouse, workers dress in normal clothing while cucumbers glide along the conveyor belts during the sorting process. The sorting process involves assessing each cucumber for quality and removing any that are crooked or damaged. A computer that weighs and sorts them according to the size and format, allowing workers to efficiently place them in boxes or crates on the packaging line. Depending on the company's sorting system, these boxes may need to be manually stacked or they may be automatically moved elsewhere. While sorting and packaging, it's essential to maintain a high standard of hygiene. Workers wear hairnets and special overcoats, and jewelry, watches, and piercings are not permitted. If a worker has a wound on their hand, it's crucial to cover it with a Band-Aid to prevent contamination. And for those who are taller than 1.65 meters, stacking boxes is a breeze. Join the ranks of those who appreciate the art of cucumber farming and packaging with this detailed insight. You can impress your friends with the knowledge of the process while also gaining an appreciation for the hard work that goes into every cucumber that ends up on your plate. Experience the fascinating world of cucumber farming with an inside look at the crop rotation process. To ensure the health and productivity of the crops, cucumber plants are removed 2 or 3 times a year, making way for fresh new plantings. The old plants are cut along the crop wire using a cutting knife, allowing the soil to be tilled and prepared for the next planting season. Crop rotation is crucial for maintaining the quality and yield of cucumber crops, and this intricate process requires skilled workers who understand the delicate balance required for successful cultivation. By removing the old plants and preparing the soil, farmers can ensure that the next generation of cucumber plants will thrive and produce an abundant harvest. Cucumbers are a staple in many kitchens around the world, known for their crisp and refreshing taste. These versatile veggies can be enjoyed raw in salads, pickled for a tangy flavor, or blended into smoothies for a healthy boost. Cucumbers are also a great source of hydration, with a high water content that makes them the perfect snack for hot summer days. Whether you're looking to add a healthy crunch to your meals or just need a refreshing snack, cucumbers are the perfect choice. Thank you for watching.